Hello guys, today we're going to be doing the Haunted Mansion in Animal Company. This is going to be crazy, so stay tuned. And we're playing with whoever these guys are. I just found them. Alright, let's go guys.
Hey, and by the way,
California girls, they're unforgettable. By the way guys, not copyright.
that's so copyright.
Come on guys.
Wait for me. Guys, have you ever heard of the ice cream butt shake?
What?
The ice cream butt shake.
No. Let's just go find the
It's
key.
delicious.
Let's go find the key, guys.
Alright, gotta get
Left
in.
side.
Find
It's
the
always
key.
in left side. Come on, guys. It's always in
It
left
could be
side.
on both sides. It could be on both
The
sides.
head is right there. The head is right there.
We don't care about the head.
What do you
We care about
mean?
the key. The head, what?
Oh,
What are you doing?
shoot! I didn't. California girls, they are unforgettable.
Where's the head? Disappeared. Open up.
That scared me. That jumped.
Give me that. Get that shit in the freaking
Guys, come on,
hole.
quick! Come on, quick! Don't look at that! Don't look at that!
Ah, it looks like my grandma's left nut.
God!
Ooh, she's gonna like me. Ooh, what's this?
Guys, run! Guys, run! Where are you guys? California girls, they're unforgettable.
Great, I'm so crazy.
Guys, another door. We haven't opened this one.
Ooh, what did you do, guys? Ooh, what did you do?
Are we,
Nothing in the damn door.
trespassing?
Basically. If it's not on this side. Guys, what if I told you I just found the key?
Did you actually? Nice! Let's go.
There we go. You guys passed it. You idiots. Do not look at them. We're cooked.
Go this way, guys, quick! It's not even that way
We're going
anyways.
to Guys, we're going. No, the exit is not this way. The exit is that way.
Now
Yeah.
let's go.
Oh,
Shine the
hold on,
flashlight.
she's
Shine the
behind
flashlight, bro.
I can't see y'all. Fuck. It's my grandpa's left nut.
Bro, stop it.
Oh. Shoot, we're cooked.
No, we're not. No, we're not. It's right here. Shoot it! Shoot it! Nice. All right, we didn't leave the other guy behind. All right, guys, grab all the corrupting crystals.
Big black monkey balls.
So put them in my bag. Put them in my bag.
I got my grandpa's nuts. I got my grandpa's.
Nice.
Oh, I missed. I didn't actually make it. It went fine.
Wait, you didn't? Oh. Okay, I got that. Alright, there's one over there. You can suck it up. Suck it up, big boy.
Yeah, that's right. I'm Big Uncle Johnny. They call me Rock.
Oh, there's one right there. There's one right there.
Back up.
Come in. Put the money in the bag.
It's called put the fries in the bag.
Put the crystals in the bag. The random crystals in the bag. California girls are unforgettable. Bro, what kind of shot was that? I'll scoop it. Oh. Alright, just put it out a little bit. Don't make it go zoom zoom. Shoot. Am I full? Oh yeah, I'm full, bro. Suck it up, bro. Alright, jump down. 3, 2, 1. Oh, my bag. No, my shotgun. Oh, it's okay. I'll get it at the end. Crap. I have enough money for a new shotgun, guys, so it'll be fine. Oh, shoot. It will fall. Oh, he has a
That was my
backpack.
flashlight.
Yep. I'm gonna grab this, and I'll see you guys on another side. No, I'm joking. I'm waiting for you guys.
Wait, can someone get me that? Yo, can my friend join or no?
Yeah, you can join for sure. Go get it. Go get it. Nice job. All right, let's go, guys. Ugh, my head. Now we go sell, guys.
Alright, my friend's joining right now.
Alright. Wait, yeah. I thought I sold them for a second.
I'm Cosmic's friend.
Okay, cool.
Oh yeah, that's
what
my
I found.
It's okay.
I found this like over there. I'm not even joking.
Oh,
me
bet. Go
sell
sell,
this.
bro. I need some money. Give me my money. I think this...
Cosmic.
Wait.
I beat you like that?
Holy, that's one
PvP
run
is
and like $3,000.
Yo guys, what's your name?
PvP's
What's your
on.
name?
Oh, wait. He's still selling his stuff. Alright, sell that, bro.
Give me my money.
Just give me my money.
Wait guys, wanna go to Spooky House? We can do it.
Oh, we just went there. You wanna go again?
Oh. Come here.
Do you wanna go again?
Let's go to Zero Gravity. Wait, let's go to Zero Gravity. Let's go to Zero Gravity.
Monster House? Oh, okay, Spooky House and then Zero Gravity.
Yeah, let's
No,
go
Zero
to
Gravity first.
Spooky House, guys.
Yeah, Spooky House.
Yes.
I'm recording a video. Hey, Green, are you still recording a video, Green?
Yes, I am. So that was like a 5-minute run, 5-10-minute run.
You can see
a lot of money. Alright, guys, so shine your big flashlight. Or no, I don't got
Hell
shotgun
no.
this time. So no.
Guys, I almost broke my auntie's vase.
Huh?
I almost broke my auntie's vase.
That's crazy. That's
Yeah,
crazy.
I touched it, but I didn't. It didn't
What?
fall.
Why am I so heavy?
Oh, bro. My spark smoke.
Alright, guys, run in.
Someone snarkled in your hands.
Alright, let's go, guys. Just don't.
I bet I can find the key first.
Yep, go find it then.
Bet. I just wanna be part of your stairs.
Guys, it's always in left side. Why are you guys going over there? It's always in left side.
Hold me down and I let go. I just wanna be part of your sleeping. After all this shit, the
Dude, you're
world
gonna-
would ask me. I never know. And I
Dude, you
remember
guys are gonna
it.
give me copyright. Oh shoot! Don't go in there. Don't worry, I can't.
Oh, me!
Guys, why the
Umbrella.
heck are you so scared? I don't get it.
We can die.
It's just my grandma, guys. Oh, the key is in there. The key is in
Grandma
there.
looks like a freaking washing machine. I can see, bro. I'm green, bro. I'm green. Ah!
You guys got the key? You have the key, guys. Guys, it's just my grandma. Why are you so scared? I just wanna be part of your family. I just wanna be part of your family. Why do you guys leave me behind? You guys are so mean.
We didn't leave you behind. Slay by queen. Are you a slay baddie?
Not gonna lie, bro.
You have to dress this dress glasses. If I leave all over Ice Spice, does it make Ice Spice latte? I think I have an idea.
I'm going to go
If I cream all over Ice Spice, does that make me a Ice Spice latte?
BBO.
What are you guys doing?
A BBO.
Hey guys, put the money in the bag. Put the money in the bag.
Okay. Put the money in the bag.
Oh no!
Come bro.
Help me!
It's gonna blow up.
Help!
Got it.
Yeah.
Help
Put
me!
the money in the bag.
Put the money in the bag.
Help!
The money in the bag.
Bro, don't make me do it. Don't make me do it.
Put the money in the bag.
Put
the money in the
do it, bro.
Put the other
Don't make
money
me
in the
do it.
bag.
Hurry up, you monkeys!
Give me my money.
Put the king money in the bag.
Close to spawn, I repeat, I'm close to
There's usually a lot of
You're
ore
down
down
the
here.
hall. I went inside the black hole.
I'm gonna bat it down.
What do you mean?
I'm in the thick of it, everybody knows. They know me where it's from, I speed it in big roads. I don't know who
Go, give it back.
Alright guys, let's go to zero gravity. Let's go to zero gravity.
Give it back.
Put this. Give what back?
Give back my ray gun. Where'd my ray gun go?
Where you go?
Someone took my ray gun.
Wasn't me.
I have my ray gun.
Hold on, my backpack is my crossbow.
Someone took my ray gun.
Okay, so we just made like 5K from one run. Like that's
Don't-
crazy, guys.
Yeah, but someone took my ray gun.
I'll buy you a new one if we go back again.